lot of rain today.
It's rainfall.
Yeah. I don't know how much I can show you through the screen, but there's usually no water there. So it's like a drainage system that runs in between the two sets of townhomes here. And it is, wow, very full. It's all just running right out into the street. What do you think about it? Yeah.
We can't go anywhere.
Yeah, it is a bit frustrating. I mean, the kids were off school today because of so much water coming everywhere. So then we can't really do anything anyway. But what can you do?
There's so much water.
There's so much water. And it's about 3:30 in the afternoon now, and I guess the worst is yet to come. Like, we're not even at the heavy downpours yet, so.
Wait, this isn't?
What?
This is the heavy downpour.
This isn't the worst of it.
When you just like stopping us.
Winnie likes to be out here, don't you? You like to be out here?
He's like, yep. Everything's so
So we're just gonna sit in our little seats out here. And enjoy the rain. It's nice.
So
It is kind of calming and relaxing. I'm going to sleep. I know there have been lots of posts already about different closures and stuff around town and flooded areas. It is a lot of rain. There's a lot of water falling from the sky, and it is not looking like it's going to stop anytime soon. So I think we're in a flood watch until at least, I don't know, we're in like a flash flood watch until 6 p.m. as of now. I'm sure that will change. But the rain, I think, keeps going until 2 a.m. tonight.
Hi.
So here's the official word from Hershey Park. They're going to be closed on Thursday as well. Totally makes sense since they were closed today. They're going to need some time to get back in and get things up and running, but it's really how bad it is, guys. And this is how we're spending our virtual day inside. Actually, this is how Parker has spent most of his virtual day. In a non-raining VR world. What are you playing?
Gorilla tag.
Oh, there you go.
Or playing tag with the gorilla.
Nice. Whoa. So I had to take Winnie out to go to the bathroom. She wouldn't go, so I'm out here anyway. This is our new babbling brook. We're just wet. All the way down the street. It was just pouring. I don't know where it's all going, but crazy, right? Our little pebbled rockway is now a little stream. Oh boy. As I showed you earlier, up at the top there's a gully where the frogs are probably like living it up because they have a swimming pool now. Wow, a lot of rain. Yeah, so it was pretty crappy out today, so I made jambalaya for dinner. I love jambalaya. It's tasty, it's spicy. It's one of the only things I will eat that is spicy because I don't really like spicy foods, but I do like it. So I made jambalaya for dinner. Also, this is not a paid spot. I just like jambalaya. I make the Zatarain's brand jambalaya because it's good. I make mine with kielbasa. You can use chicken or pork or steak, I think, if you want. But I like mine with kielbasa, so that's what I make every time. So good. Yummy. Yummy. Look at that. Rice. Kielbasa. So good. Wow. Okay. I will say, it was delicious. I don't show me eating because, let's be honest, nobody wants to see that. I don't want to see me eating, and I don't think anybody else will either, but Zatarain's jambalaya, delicious. Make it on a crappy day like today, and it will be amazing. I didn't know where Winnie was, but as soon as I opened the door, she came out. Just doing a little update here. It is now about, let's see, 6:30. Yep. Still steady flow. Still pretty full over there. Still flowing pretty good down here, and my socks are wet. Like you can see where the carpet gets wet, but it's like wet all the way up to here. All right, Winnie. Let's go. Okay, so that's pretty much our day. The rain is starting to slow down now, and it is not flooding as badly, but who knows what all the runoff will do. If we're out tomorrow, we'll definitely drive around and see what we can see. It's been a rough day here in Pennsylvania. I'm gonna throw this all together, try to put together a vlog for you, and then I'm gonna watch Cruella. Have a great night. See ya. Thanks for watching.